Hi, my name is Cheryl Spangler. Welcome to the Good Side of Crypto. And today I have a special metaverse project overview. It is called the Keys Metaverse. You are not going to want to miss all the details. I got to sit down with Tony Rodriguez-Telleheche, one of the initial investors in the Keys Metaverse project. He is the owner and managing broker of the Miami-based Prestige Realty.
First, let me say thanks for having me on. I'm one of the initial investors of Keys Token. The CEO, Nima, is a good friend of mine, and we've been doing business for years now, maybe about 5 or 6 years. He reached out to me with his whole group and said, hey, this is what we're doing, and we would like for you to be an investor. And as soon as he told me a little bit about it, and it was him, someone I knew, someone I could trust, and someone that I've been doing business with for a while, I was all in. So Nima Gassimi, the CEO of Keys, he was already in real estate marketing. He has the largest real estate network on social media. They get about 300 million views a month. The idea here with Web3 and all of that was to create a real estate centric crypto token.
I'm about to walk through a very, very powerful new metaverse. Go to metamansionsbykeys.com. 8,888 luxury residences built on Ethereum that you can buy with the Keys token. And if you haven't checked out or you want to look up the Keys token, you can go to coinmarketcap.com, put in Keys, Keys, and the token is currently trading at 0.09 cents. This project has something to offer literally everyone who is wanting to earn income, run a business, just like it says at the top of the screen, live in, customize, share, and monetize your meta mansion, gain exclusive access to products, events, and future collections. And the bigger picture is that there are 88,888 total available plots of land, but 8,888 are residential plots and meta mansions. So how do you mint a mansion? Well, on March 18, if you are in the whitelist, you will have the ability to mint a mansion before anyone else. In order to mint a mansion to the public, you have to hold 100 Keys tokens. It's a universe built for the evolution of real estate, business, socialization, interaction, commerce, and entertainment. They have an amazing team backed by Genius Ventures. If you're not familiar with Genius Ventures, they produce augmented reality and virtual reality experience for the world's top brands.
Genius Ventures, which is the company that is partnering with them to build out their metaverse. It's their metaverse is the quality is Pixar movies,
What is the first thing that you see people being able to buy in the real world? What can you do on and in the mansion that you're buying?
For example, you can host events, you can have conferences, you can rent out furniture or do collaborations with furniture companies within your meta mansion. You can have galleries, you can have people display their art NFTs inside of your mansion. You can rent out your meta mansion for certain events. So the meta mansions is not the whole metaverse that Keys token is creating. The meta mansion is just step one, which is going to be the residency. But after the residency, which is going to be 8,888 mansions, after the residency, they're going to start creating other aspects to it, the more commercial aspects.
The celeb builder and designer, Ramtin Ray Nosrati. What's the timeline for Nosrati Island?
Oh, Nosrati Island. If you know anything about Ramtin Ray, it's going to be over the top. There's nothing about Ray or his designs or his houses that are not absolutely badass. He might have nightclub.
How picky are you being on partnership?
They are landing new partnerships every day. There's a full team on that. They have a team's close to 100, I think, already. You have to look at the key card kind of like your American Express black card. If you have a black card, you get certain perks, right? Well, if you have a key card, you get certain perks. And the more partnerships and the more benefits they have to offer to their key card holders, the more valuable that NFT is going to be. And that's why I think it minted at 0.18 and it's already selling for $33,000. It's Keycard V1, and then soon enough, they're going to be launching Keycard V2. What that's going to be is going to be, depending on the amount of keys you hold, gives you certain levels of perks. So if you're helpful in our Discord, if you're answering, questions to anyone that's new, if you're, just supportive, and you're on the Discord, you have different levels that you'll grow and you'll be able to get whitelisted. Absolutely.
So, I mean, how do you feel like this is affecting your real estate business?
Kind of like selling real estate now in the metaverse and selling real estate in
Yeah, it's the luxury metaverse.
You can have your friends over, you can make money off of it, you can do whatever it is you want with the meta mansions. And in the future, I truly think owning a meta mansion is going to be untouchable. They're also working on integrating it with other metaverses.
And what about Avatar?
You're going to be able to go to this store inside of the metaverse and purchase, this clothing and these glasses. And
of course, no metaverse is as great as the outfits we can wear. So think about clothing manufacturers, partners. Okay, so let's get away from this for just a minute because I'm honing in on these like leather pants that I want to try on my avatar. Avatars that are created using metahuman technology, which this is just a little snapshot showing you the quality and the clarity and the realism of the avatar style. So if you think about the meta mansion that you purchase and inside any home, the architecture it's built from, the real estate brokerage that's going to help you buy, sell, or rent it, the interior design that you can do to it. These are all like digital assets you could potentially purchase, create, sell to other people, landscaping around the house, advertising on it, in it, around it, furniture design, rental, consulting. So how are you going to be able to access the metaverse headset, your PC, your tablet, or your phone? Another really cool thing, and I did notice that a few projects are incorporating this, is like a stats dashboard. The ability to see inside the metaverse on the statistics of total number of users, number of clicks within the ecosystem. They're basically giving their own analytics free and available for anyone to view, the community to view inside the ecosystem. Everyone who purchases the Keys tokens, at least 100, gets a loyalty key. But the question is, depending on how many Keys tokens you own, depends on the perks that you get. So if you hold at least 100 to 10,000 Key tokens, you get the ability to purchase assets on the Keys marketplace and the ability to monetize metaverse assets through rentals. And also, if you hold 100 Keys tokens, you have the ability to mint a meta mansion on March 18, assuming that they're not all sold and purchased during the whitelist time period. You're considered a key collector if you own 10,000 to 100,000 keys. You will get all the benefits from being a key holder and the ability to earn dividends when data tracking is turned on, access to Keys NFT avatar creator, and fee reduction on all transactions. But if you want to get in on the whitelist, you will need to be either a key stacker, a key whale, or a key mamba. So let's just go back 1 second. A stacker means that you own at least 100 to 500,000 Key tokens. And as you can see, if you do hold at least 100,000, you get part of the land sale whitelist. So if you choose to buy 500,000 to 1 million Key tokens, you get all the benefits from before, plus complimentary access to all Key events, early access to new features, events, spaces, and games, increased fee reduction, and access to business marketing tools, which is going to be really huge considering who they're partnering with. So here is something that has never been done before, and that is the ability for anyone 18 days after the Meta Mansion mint sells out, whenever that is, the team will randomly select 12 of the 8,888 NFTs as winners. One single individual will be awarded 800 ETH and 11 individuals will be awarded 8 ETH. So what is a biome? When you scroll down the website, you're going to see biome mutations. A biome is an ecological community. Like your meta mansion may be in mountain, 3 different levels. Here there's crystals, there's island, ice, which a lot of these are coming soon. So check back on this website. There's desert, forest, jungle, savanna. So there's like all kinds of ecological community. It's just something that makes this super unique, gives different levels to the meta mansions and what you can purchase. Are there any challenges that you guys are working through?
Right now, the challenge is getting the word out. There's a lot of challenges, growing the team, growing the partnerships, getting the word out.
So do you have a meta mansion in mind that you already know that you want to buy of all the ones that are being created?
Yeah, I do. I want to have So I'm as a certain role, you're only allowed to, like, the max amount of meta mansions that you can mint is 18 per wallet. I would love to pick up one of Kobe's. I think Kobe is only going to have like 2 1-of-1s, Kobe Carp. I was at his office yesterday, kind of like going over the details and stuff, and we'll have the final. One of the houses is just typical Kobe Carp, amazing design. And the other one has like a pool on the roof, and it's like a plexiglass, side, so you can see through to the water from inside of the pool. It's a really cool design.
What did you think? Are you going to go right now and get your 100 keys? Drop a comment of what you think of the project. Check out the new website that launches today, and tell me if you're interested in buying a meta mansion.
The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.